India and Russia have agreed to co-produce the 125mm 3VBM-17 Mango projectile. The Russian state company Rostec announced that our company Rosoboronexport is organizing the production of 3VBM-17 Mango cartridges in India. This 125mm ammunition includes the 3BM-42 ribbed armor-piercing projectile, capable of striking modern tanks with composite armor. These Mango projectiles are designed for the T-72 and T-90 tanks, both of which are widely used in India. To further enhance local production, there are plans to start manufacturing gunpowder in India as well. While it remains unclear whether India will export part of this production back to Russia, it's worth noting that this tank ammunition, developed in the mid-1980s, was specifically designed to penetrate Chobham armor used on tanks like the American M1 Abrams and the British Challenger 1. The 3VBM-17, 3BM-42, commonly referred to as the 3BM-42 Mango, is a type of armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot (APF-SDS) tank ammunition used by Russian main battle tanks. This ammunition is designed to penetrate heavily armored targets, making it a critical component in modern armored warfare. The 3BM-42 Mango round has a length of approximately 570mm and a diameter of 30mm. The projectile itself is composed of a tungsten carbide core encased in a steel jacket, designed to maximize penetration capabilities while maintaining structural integrity upon impact. In terms of technical characteristics, the 3BM-42 Mango features a two-part sabot that discards upon leaving the barrel, allowing the tungsten core to continue its trajectory toward the target. The round is capable of achieving high muzzle velocities, typically around 1,700 meters per second, which is crucial for its armor-piercing capabilities. The type of charge used in the 3BM-42 Mango is a propellant charge that ignites upon firing, generating the necessary force to propel the projectile out of the tank's barrel. This charge is carefully calibrated to ensure optimal performance and safety during operation. The operational range for the 3BM-42 Mango varies depending on the specific tank and firing conditions, but it is generally effective at ranges up to 2,000 meters. At this distance, the round is capable of penetrating most modern tank armor, making it a formidable weapon on the battlefield. According to the Russian manufacturer, the projectile has the following penetration characteristics: 230mm armor penetration at 2,000 meters and 60 degrees and 520mm armor penetration at 2,000 meters and 0 degrees against a standard 260 BHN steel target. According to Russian experts, this ammunition can cope with Western armor. The 3VBM-17 Mango projectile is a type of armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot (APF-SDS) round. It utilizes a high-density penetrator made from depleted uranium or tungsten, materials known for their hardness and ability to concentrate kinetic energy on a small impact area. This allows the projectile to achieve extremely high penetration capabilities. Chobham armor consists of multiple layers of ceramic tiles, metal plates, and other materials designed to absorb and dissipate the energy of incoming projectiles. While highly effective, the armor's performance can be compromised by the sheer kinetic energy delivered by modern APF-SDS rounds like the 3VBM-17 Mango. The 3VBM-17 Mango's design includes a long rod penetrator that maintains its integrity and velocity upon impact, allowing it to penetrate the composite layers of Chobham armor. The high velocity and concentrated force of the penetrator can overcome the armor's ability to spread and absorb the impact energy. Rosoboronexport underscores the long-standing military technical cooperation between Russia and India, dating back to the mid-1950s. Currently, 70% of India's armed forces are equipped with Soviet or Russian weapons. Looking forward, there are plans to localize gunpowder production in India to maximize self-sufficiency in mango shell manufacturing. This initiative aligns with India's broader goals of enhancing domestic defense manufacturing capabilities and reducing reliance on imports. To ensure the highest degree of localization of mango shells, it is planned to launch gunpowder production in India in the future, said Sergei Chemezov. According to a report by the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, SIPRI, published in March 2024, Russia remains India's largest arms supplier, accounting for 36% of India's arms imports. Notably, SIPRI highlights that between 2019 and 2023, Russian deliveries comprised less than half of India's arms imports for the first time in a 5-year period since 1960 to 1964. This underscores the enduring strategic significance of Indo-Russian defense collaborations amid evolving global security dynamics.